How to top up Touch and Go e-wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to top up Touch and Go e-wallet. First of all, what you need to do is choose Reload e-wallet. Here, you will get to see an option that says TNG e-wallet reload pin. So select TNG e-wallet reload pin. Enter TNG e-wallet reload pin. It will also have different terms and conditions. TNGD shall not be responsible for any loss or damage of this reload pin, and it shall not be replaced. So you need to make sure that you read all the terms and conditions. So that is exactly how you can top up Touch and Go e-wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.